Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying your Intel HD GPU and getting the most compatible driver. Open Device Manager, note the model, then download the latest Intel or OEM driver. This fixes many performance issues. Once done, run the installer as administrator and reboot. Make sure to disable any older driver cleanup prompts only if you have a restore point. After restarting, check the driver version in Settings to confirm the update succeeded before moving to Optimization. Now focus on system-level and graphics control tweaks to get smoother frame rates. Switch Windows Power Plan to high performance and keep the laptop plugged in. This prevents throttling. Open Intel Graphics Command Center to set global and per-game profiles. Lower resolution or render scale, disable fancy post-processing, and choose performance over quality. Meanwhile, close unnecessary background apps, free a few gigabytes of RAM, and set the game process priority higher in Task Manager to reduce finish by tailoring each game's settings. Choose low to medium presets, drop resolution to 720p or 1366 by 768, and enable a sensible FPS cap to avoid GPU spikes. If you see tearing, enable VSync or Adaptive Sync. If instead you see stutter, experiment with disabling it. Make sure cooling is adequate and monitor CPU/GPU temperatures. If performance worsens after changes, roll back the driver or try a clean driver reinstall. These steps quickly resolve compatibility or overheating problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.